158 tangga sudah kita naiki. Capek sekali. Ya nak. Nah ini benar-benar lelah. Tadi waktu turun tidak begitu terasa, tapi begitu naik terasa sekali.
Hai, dadah dulu. Masa orang naik boat kayak gitu? Hai, adik sini.
Selamat traveling semuanya. Kita sudah turun ke bawah, sudah berada di atas boat. Kita ingin coba berada di atas speedboat menuju ke Gua Sarang. Yang kita ditemani sama abang-abang ganteng. Sana lah. Sahabat semuanya, dulu saya pernah turun ke sini, ngeten di sini, dan kita berjalan kaki dari pinggir menuju ke Gua Sarang. Dulunya di sini belum ada destinasi wisata yang semacam ini. Hari ini kita melihat banyak kali perubahan, banyak kali artinya sudah sangat bagus. Sudah ada speedboat seperti ini, kemudian juga ada fasilitas ngeten buat teman-teman yang mau snorkeling. Sudah ada disewa alat, namun sayangnya kita nggak dapat diskon.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you make it
Nah sahabat traveling semuanya, kita sudah berada di Gua Sarangnya. Jadi kita tadi turun dari sana, mutar, kemudian kita sudah langsung berada di pusat Gua Sarangnya. Nah teman-teman wisatawan datang ke Gua Sarang ya, kemari mutar di sini kita bisa menikmati kalau kita berjalan menggunakan boat ya. Kecuali kita bisa berjalan kaki dari arah sana, itu lumayan jauh dan capek dan tidak mungkin kita membawa keluarga. Oke sahabat semuanya, ikuti kami terus di JM Traveling sampai selesai 2 hari lagi di Kota Sabang.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages.
Kita nggak bisa lama-lama karena kita mau bebuk. Ntar aja bang.
Won't regret it, I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm
5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, 100. Oh iya, 158 tangga sudah kita naiki. Capek sekali. Ya nak. Nah ini benar-benar lelah. Tadi waktu turun tidak begitu terasa, tapi begitu naik terasa sekali. Tanjakan ini udah sampai 159 tangga. Kita lanjut 159.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.